There's a lot of trends in the industry and currently we're seeing particularly a kind of trend towards better awareness with our people, better working with our suppliers rather than thinking of them as partners rather than suppliers, actually kind of working towards a common goal. As a nation, we all want to be secure.
I am starting to see a genuine move towards including the user as part of the solution. The vast majority of any workforce wants to be secure. They don't want to be insecure. All we have to do is to provide them with the solutions and then teach them how to use those solutions, what we want them to do.
From a geopolitical standpoint, people are getting caught up in nation-state attacks. So it never used to be a risk to a lot of smaller companies. Everyone has now become a potential target for those, and it's becoming a big risk factor.
We have an ever-increasing amount of data that people are processing. We have an ever-increasing amount of devices that people are using to access that information. We have an ever-expanding network that we're trying to protect.
I think the key trends in the industry are really about the information being present exactly when it's needed, in the format that is required, and in a way that's easily digestible. But I think those trends actually generate a set of challenges in themselves.
As a result of this mass expansion of information, of devices, of networks, regulations are then coming in to force us to maintain and manage this expanding amount of information.
So I think as an industry we're moving to, I suppose, a fashion-driven industry. Lots of buzzwords, AI, artificial intelligence, which is nothing more than clever machine learning. But we're seeing these fashion trends come and go, and actually I think it makes it really hard for CISOs out there to make intelligent choices.
The trend is driving some more business revenue and driving the business forward, but again, security is almost an afterthought. So it's that trend that we're seeing there around business is always, as always, driving the profitability, driving the business, security, just trying to make it agile enough to keep up with that cycle.
I think that companies need to think about the fact that from the user's point of view, the employee's point of view, that security and privacy is one and is not separate.
The trend I'm seeing now is that top-level management are saying, look, we've spent enough money and we're still having breaches. What's going wrong? Well, what's going wrong is that we're not using that technology in the most efficient way. That's the biggest trend that I'm seeing.